real challenge to get your camera right where you need it for those top-down overhead shots. The Kupo C-Stand overhead kits are here to help. These kits include either a 40-inch sliding leg C-Stand with a max height of 10.5 feet, or a 40-inch master C-Stand with turtle base for a max height of 11 feet, giving you the height you need. The sliding leg even allows you to securely level the C-Stand on uneven ground. There's also a grip head and steel baby boom, so you can extend out to a maximum of 7.8 feet. Both kits come with Kupo's Super Grip Finger with round camera plate, allowing you to attach your camera to the boom and get the position dialed in just right. A 10-pound wrap-and-go shot bag is also included to give your C-Stand some added stability. Now, a couple quick safety tips. Always ensure that when rigging your baby boom, the weight of the camera is to the right of the grip head handle, or it could inadvertently loosen the grip head. Fly that grip arm out over the strong leg of the C-Stand and you're good to go. When your tripod just isn't tall enough, the Kupo C-Stand overhead kits are here to help get your camera just where you need it. Ideal for food photography, flat lays, jewelry, and so much more. Now, that's a wrap. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.